In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a form in Smartsheet. To get started, open the Smartsheet sheet that contains the form you want to remove. This is important because forms are connected directly to individual sheets. So you need to be in the correct sheet before you can manage or delete any form associated with it. If you have several sheets in your workspace, take a moment to confirm that you're in the right one so you don't accidentally remove the wrong form. Once the sheet is open, look at the top menu and click on Forms. This will open the area where Smartsheet stores all forms linked to that specific sheet. If the sheet has more than one form, you'll see them listed here, which makes it easier to review what's available before making any changes. Next, find the form you want to delete. Take your time during this step and double check the form name. This is especially useful if there are multiple forms with similar purposes, since deleting a form is something you'll want to do carefully. When you've located the correct form, click the three-dot menu beside it. This opens a list of actions you can take for that form. From that menu, choose Delete. At this point, Smartsheet will usually ask you to confirm the action. This confirmation step is there to help prevent accidental deletions. So if you're sure this is the form you no longer need, go ahead and confirm that you want to delete it. After confirming, the form should be removed from the sheet's forms list. As a final check, look through the list again to make sure the form no longer appears. This quick review helps confirm that the deletion was successful and that you removed the intended form. One helpful tip to keep in mind is to make sure the form is no longer being used before deleting it. If a team or customer is still submitting responses through that form, removing it could interrupt their workflow. It's always a good idea to verify that the form is no longer needed before completing the deletion. And that's all it takes to delete a form in Smartsheet. Once you know where to find the Forms menu and how to access the options for each form, the process is quick and straightforward.